Hi folks, Vin here from peoplesinternetradio.com, and I want to share the following with you. This appeared in the Irish Examiner and the Cork Examiner, I believe, dated Wednesday, January 14th. Film case and face jail, tells court. Now I find that interesting because apparently what happened in this case was, well, you can see here, Judge Malone warned several men pointed out by Garda sitting in the public seating at courtroom 1, you are not allowed to carry out filming in court. If you do, I will hold you in contempt and sentence you to prison. Okay, so bear that in mind as you look down to the end of this article, and you will see the following. Garda Griffin said yesterday that he contacted the defendant's wife, who told him she went to work on Monday morning, leaving him at home to mind their sick child, but that he left the sick child at home alone. So you can't film in a public courtroom, apparently, without threat of being held in contempt and imprisonment. But when a Garda calls to your door, and I'm sure that woman was of the opinion she was disclosing private, confidential family matters, while the Garda was apparently in the course of an investigation, and I'm sure she did not think she was talking directly to the Irish Examiner in that regard. I'm sure she had no idea what she was saying to An Garda Síochána in that regard was going to appear in the national press. So I just want to show you the juxtaposition of the top of the article to the bottom of the article. So who's to blame here for this, and who is responsible? Up to now, it would seem if An Garda Síochána were asked about any investigation, they would be very quick to tell people, I can't disclose anything for fear it might hinder or interfere with a future investigation. Which begs the question, if indeed somebody tried to take a case against this man for this situation, that he, according to the newspaper here, left his sick child at home alone, surely this would prejudice that court case. So, firstly, if it's correct and true, which apparently it is not, I've had contact with someone who knows the family, and when they say sick child, apparently it was a teenager. Teenagers aren't children, and you don't call them a sick child. An ill teenager whom I believe attended school the very next day. And apparently they're a very independent type of teenager. Anyway, so again, it begs the question, why is this being reported in this manner? It seems to me that it's clearly an attempt to assassinate the man's character. And I'm sure his wife did not intend on this information being broadcast for all to see across the national press when she was discussing her private family affairs with An Garda Síochána. Don't forget to sign up to peoplesinternetradio.com. Get involved in the conversation, folks. Have your say. We are seeking solutions. Live radio shows every night of the week. You can see there's our schedule. You just click and scroll down. You'll see who's on. If you want to go to their podcast, you just click their name here in the schedule. That'll take you directly to their podcast page. As you can see, quite a full schedule. Still room for more, though. If you're interested, maybe you want to come on and you want to talk on People's Internet Radio about some of the solutions you have found, by all means, please do. We would love to hear from you. Okay, kind regards. Talk to you all soon.